Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. The report of Group 7 is work study. So, work study, the learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student will be able to define work study and explain its significant organizational productivity and efficiency. Identify the key components and techniques used work study, including time study, method study, and work measurement. So the definition of significance of work study. Work study is a systematic approach used to analyze and improve work methods and processes within an organization. It involves the examination of work activities with the aim of optimizing efficiency, productivity, and resource utilization. Work study encompasses various techniques and tools including time study, method study, and work measurement, which are employed to identify inefficiencies and implement improvement in workplace. So work study is to study the work like kung magtrabaho kita, dapat ato iputang sa buot, studyhan nato like mga techniques, tools, and etc. So, the significance of work study. Work study plays a crucial role in organizational productivity and efficiency, offering several significant benefits. First, cost reduction. By identifying and eliminating unnecessary tasks and inefficiencies, work study helps reduce operational costs, leading to improved financial performance for the organization. So, cost reduction is bisan kung barato nato mga product kinahanglan gihapon nato improve para gihapon mo kita siya bisan kung barato jay gihapon nato ginansya in our company organization. So next, increased efficiency. Work study aims to streamline work processes, resulting in increased efficiency and productivity. By identifying bottlenecks and optimizing workflows, organization can achieve higher output at the same resources. So, mag-increase kita sa ato streamline work processes para ang result nato is maka-optimize kita sa ato trabaho, sa organisasyon, makabot nato ang ato mga output na mga higher. So, quality improvement. Through the standardization of work methods and processes, work study ensures consistency and quality in output. By reducing variability and errors, organization can deliver higher quality products and services customer. Quality improvement sa studyhan nato dapat ang pag-improve ang pagtrabaho nato sa isa ka product para ang quality niya gana sanan mas higher quality to the customer. Dapat kinahanglan natin studyhan ang pagtrabaho, ibutang nat sa lugar kung unoy task niya to improve the quality. Resource optimization. Work study assists in optimizing the use of resources such as manpower, machinery, and materials by aligning resources with demand and eliminating wasteful practices. Organization can achieve greater resources efficiency. So, kailangan nato ini-studyhan resource optimization like the machine kailangan nato studyhan para dali ra ka kita maka trabaho, paghimo ng product, paspasan nato liyong to waste practices kinahanglan ma-adjust kita kay tungod sa machine para ma-cluster gyud nato pagka product sanan mas paspas ang paghimo ng product. So enhance employee satisfaction. Simplifying work processes and reducing unnecessary tasks can improve employee morale and satisfaction. By involving employees in the work-study process and empowering them to contribute ideas for improvement, organization, and can create a more engaging and rewarding work environment. So, enhanced employee satisfaction, ang pag-process nato, ang pag-reduce, to improve na niska product na masatisfy kita ang pag-process, pag-empower na i-contribute nato idea mohatag kita para mo improve any idea para sa jaw na product para maka-improve kita and more engaging, rewarding work environment. So para mo improve kita and to satisfy this product.
Objectives of work study. The key objectives of work study can be summarized as follows. Identify an efficiency. Work study aims to identify inefficient work methods and processes that impede productivity and efficiency. Ibalik diri, identify ang mga work methods and process na inefficient, na amoy nakababag, nakahadlang ibalik sa parasaw na productivity and efficiency. Eliminate waste. By eliminating unnecessary tasks, reducing downtime, and optimizing workflows, work study helps eliminate waste in organizational process. Kibali diri, iso na i-eliminate ang unnecessary tasks para makabawas-bawas ka mo sa oras o ma-optimize ang daloy ng trabaho. Standardization. Work study seeks to standardize the work methods and processes to ensure consistency and quality in output. Ibari diri iso i-emit ang standard niya para ma-ensure niyo ang consistency and quality ng output. Optimize resources. Work study assists to optimize the use of resources such as manpower, machinery, and materials to achieve maximum efficiency and power and effectiveness. Ibali diri dapat hibay ka mo assist, hibay ka mo manage sa mga such as manpower or machinery para ang ma-achieve niyo ang efficiency and work effectiveness. Continuous improvement. Work study promotes a culture of continuous improvement with the goal of enhancing productivity, efficiency, and quality over time. By continually seeking opportunities for improvement and implementing changes based on data-driven insight, organization can stay competitiveness and adapt to evolved market conditions.
Key components and techniques of work study. Muna yung mga techniques sa mga study. 1. Time study. Time study involves the measurement and analysis of the time required to perform a specific task or activity. By accurately quantifying the time needed for each task, organization can identify inefficiencies, set realistic production target, and allocate resources effectively. Number 2. Method study. Method study focuses on the analysis and improvement of work methods and processes. It aims to eliminate unnecessary tasks, reduce cycle times, and optimize workflows to enhance productivity and efficiency. Method study often involves techniques such as process mapping, flowcharting, and value stream analysis. Number 3. Work measurement. Work measurement is the process of determining standard time for performing tasks or activities using determined motion and time. Standard. By establishing standard times, organizations can establish fair and achievable performance standards, monitors productivity, and facilitate resource planning and scheduling. 4. Productivity improvement techniques. Productivity improvement techniques encompass a range of tools and methodologies aimed to enhancing productivity and efficiency within organizations. These techniques may include Lean Six Sigma, Kaizen 5C, and Total Quality Management. Among others, by implementing these techniques, organizations can streamline processes, reduce waste, and achieve sustainable improvements in performance.
Technique of work study. Work study employs several techniques to analyze and improve work methods and processes. 1. Time study techniques. Direct time study involves directly observing and recording the time required to perform a task or activity. Example diri kay kuan pag record ng timer sa nagtrabaho. Predetermined motion time system. Utilize predetermined motion and time standard to calculate standard times for tasks based on predetermined motion elements. Pag example diri kay pagsit nan oras sa trabaho doon kuan example 7 to 5 PM 7 AM o 5 PM. Work sampling involves periodic observation of work activities to estimate the proportion of time spent on different tasks or activities. Ini kay pag-observe nan kuan nagkalain-lain trabaho kung pila ra ka oras an kuha nila. Method study techniques. Process mapping. Visual presentation of work process to identify inefficiency, bottleneck, and opportunities for improvement. Example kay pagpangita ng video para ma-improve ang imo skills. Flow charting. Sequential presentation of work process using symbols and arrows to illustrate the flow of activities. Example diri doon sa flow charting doon para ay kung hain ang proseso ng pagtrabaho. Value streaming mapping. Analyze the entire value streaming of a process to identify value added and non-value added activities aiming to eliminate waste and improve flow. Dapat i-identify ko nimo ang mga importante sa nandili ko importante na trabahoon para kuhanan mga ma-eliminate ang mga waste tapos takan sa ma-improve ka. Work measurement techniques. First, stopwatch time study. Use a stopwatch to measure the time required to perform tasks or activities accurately. Ibali magamit ka din ng stopwatch para makuha nimo kung ano ka kapaspas magtrabaho. Standard data. Utilize predetermined time standard based on historical data or industry benchmark to establish standard time for task. Activity sampling. Similar to work sampling, activity sampling involves periodic observation of work activities to estimate the portion of time spent on different tasks. Activity sampling kuno kay parehara sa work sampling, magamit gyapon ang periodic observation sa pagtrabaho para ma-estimate ang proportion of spend time sa nagkalain-lain na trabaho.
Enhance quality. Standardizing work methods and processing through work study helps ensure consistency and quality in output, reducing errors, defects, and reworks. Pananglitan usa ka planta sa pagkama ang pag-standardize sa mga pamaagi sa linya sa asembleya pinaagi sa pagtuon sa trabaho. Nagsiguro nga ang matag trabante nagsunod sa parehas nga mga lakang sa pag-assemble sa mga pisa. Kini nga magkanulayon makapaminos sa mga kasaypanan o mga depekto sa katapusan nga mga produkto. Magapaminos sa mga panginahanglan alang sa reworks ug musangpot sa mga taas nga kinatibuk ang kalidad. Employee satisfaction involving employees in the work study process and empowering them to contribute to improvements can boost moral, engagement, and job satisfaction. Example, ang usa ka kumpanya nga naglambigit sa mga kawani sa budiga niini pagdisenyo, pag-usab sa layout sa pagtipig, makapauswag sa ilang katagbawan sa trabaho, pinaagi sa pagtugod kanila sa pagsugyot o pag-implementar sa mga kalambuan. Ang mga empleyado mobati og gibalhin og mas moapil nga musagpot ngadto sa mas taas nga moral o mas espiyente nga mga workspace. Data driven decision making work study provides organization with objective data and insights to inform decision making, facilitating evidence-based improvements and resource allocation. Ang pagtuon sa trabaho nagsangkap sa mga organisasyon sa tukma nga datos ug mga panabot nga nagtugot kanila sa paghimo og mga desisyon nga nahibal-an kini nga pamaagi makatabang sa pag-ila sa mga inefficiencies, pag-optimize sa mga workflow o pagahin sa mga kapanguhaan sa epektibong paagi nga musangpot ngadto sa mas maayo nga pagkaproduktibo ug estratehikong pagkapot sa tumo. Challenge of work study. Despite its numerous benefits, work study implementation may face several challenges. Resistance to change. Employees may resist to establish work methods and processes, particularly if they perceive work study as a threat to job security or autonomy. Ang mga empleyado mahimong musukol sa mga pagbag-o sa mga pamaagi sa trabaho tungod sa kahadlok nga ang mga inisyatibo sa pagtuon sa trabaho naghulga sa ilang seguridad o autonomiya sa trabaho. Lack of management support. Work study require strong support and commitment from management to allocate resources, overcome obstacles, and drive organizational change effectively. Kung walay lig-on nga suporta o pagsalig gikan sa pagdumala, ang mga inisyatibo sa pagtuon sa trabaho mahimong maglisod nga magmalampuson tungod kay nanginahanglan sila sa mga kapangunahan, pagbuntog sa mga babag o epektibos nga pagduso sa pagbago sa organisasyon. Resource constraint. Limited resources including time, budget, and expertise may impede the implementation of work study initiatives, particularly in small or resource-constrained organizations. Ang limitado nga mga kapangunahan sama sa oras, budget o kahanas mahimong makababag sa pagtuman sa mga inisyatibo sa pagtuon sa trabaho labi na sa gagmay o mga organisasyon nga gipugnan sa kapanguhaan. Cultural barriers. Organizational culture and values may pose barriers to work study implementation, particularly in culture that are resistant to change or hierarchical in nature. Complexity of processes. Same work processes may be complex or multifaceted, making them challenging to analyze and improve using traditional work study techniques. Ang ubang mga proseso sa trabaho komplikado o multifaceted nga nagpalisod sa pag-analisa o pagpalambo niini gamit ang tradisyonal nga mga teknik sa pagtuon sa trabaho. Measurement challenge. Accurately measuring and quantifying work activities can be difficult, particularly in dynamic or knowledge-based work environments where tasks are less tangible and standardized. Ang tukma sa pagsukod o pag-ihap sa mga kalihukan sa trabaho mahimong lisod labi na sa dinamiko o nakabase sa kahibalo nga mga palibot sa trabaho diin ang mga buluhaton dili kayo mahikap o standard.
Strategies for overcoming challenge to maximize the benefits of the work study and overcome implementation challenge. Organization can adopt several strategies. 1. Involvement in government and communication involved employees in the work study process from the outside communicate the benefits of work study and address concern and feedback proactively. 2. Management support and leadership. Source buy-in and support from senior management to allocate resources, set priorities, and drive organizational change effectively. 3. Training and capacity building. Provide training and development. Operate this to develop the skill and capacity needed to the implement work study activities successful. Pilot 4. Pilot project and incremental informational start and a small scale pilot project and demonstrate the benefits of the work study and gradually expand information based on lesson learned and successes. Accept. 5. Continuous improvement and adaptation and embrace in the culture of continuous improvement. Organize information and adapt work study methods and practice and pursue organizational needs and contacts.